your season or occupation. Start me sending your application.
What's up, y'all? Today I am super excited. We did a Christmas look. It got a little grungy. It definitely didn't turn out the way it was supposed to, but that's what happens when you come on this channel. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then grab your makeup, grab your snacks, and okay, so as usual, no idea what we're doing today. I do know that I want to use these two palettes, one of the two, maybe both, because Calvin got these for me recently, and this one I played with once, this one I haven't touched at all. Let's see if we can get something crispy. Let's see if we can get something Christmassy out of these palettes. Okay, so I think we should go very classic with the color story. I think we should go for red and green and like maybe a little bit of a pop of gold. When I look at this Jaclyn Hill palette, like all I can look at is like this area right here, like these reds. So let's do that. I think I want to do like a smoked out. I always do a smoky eye, but that's my vibe, you guys. I'm sorry. Some days I try to like push myself out of my comfort zone, and then other days I just want to like do the makeup that sounds fun. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna dip into is this shade called Heart On, and this is in the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. And I'm gonna take a big old fluffy brush. This is my Morphe M505. I actually like never use this brush, so let's try it. And you guys know the drill. We're just gonna smoke it out. Now here's the thing, I'm kind of terrified because I never use reds. Like, it's just not something I ever do. I'm scared of it already. I don't like this. Not the shadow, just what's happening right now. I really don't enjoy doing like eyeshadow before the rest of my face is on because it just looks crazy until you have everything else on, but at the same time it gets all over everything, so like I don't like to do my face first. So I don't know, what do you guys do? Do you guys do your face first or your eyes first? Okay, I feel like I have a pretty good blend going on right there. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye, and then we're gonna darken up this crease a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna dip into this shade right here. It's called Next. It's a little dark, so I'm gonna put a little bit of it in my crease, but I'm mostly gonna put it like on my outer, like the outer third, because we're gonna put this really pretty shimmery red shade on the lid, but I wanna have like a little dimension on the outside. I'm gonna take my Morphe M506, and yeah, I'm gonna do that. Can you guys even see me? I can't tell. Okay, so that's literally all I'm gonna do with that shade. I don't know, I might change it later, I don't know. Okay, next I'm going in with this shade right here. It's called Living My Best. So I'm gonna throw that on the lid. I'm gonna use my Morphe M124, it's just a flat brush. Okay, so this is where we're at. I actually really like it. It looks a little pink on camera. Okay, so I'm gonna do a wing really quick, and I'm just gonna do it off camera because every time I try to do it on camera, I'm like, okay, so I just finished the liner. It looks a little crazy because I had to clean it up because I just suck at eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off of camera, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I've got my face makeup on. And I think for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go into this Morphe Disney palette. I haven't dipped into this before, so I'm really excited. And I'm gonna go into this green, oh my God, what does the green shade say? We're gonna go into this shade right here. It's called Instigator. I'm gonna take my Morphe M506 and I'm gonna dip into Instigator, and I'm gonna run that along the lower lash line and just kind of smoke it out a little bit.
Hold up!
Okay, change of plans. I'm gonna mix that shade with this shade as well. This is Total Rebel because, I don't know, that shade just like wasn't dark enough. It's like grungy, right?
It's Christmas grunge.
It's Christmas grunge. Okay, so I'm gonna throw a black liner in the waterline. This is just one that I got from my Ipsy Lottie London. It says AM to PM retractable eyeliner. So I'm just gonna put that in the waterline. Okay, I'm gonna pop on this mascara, Loma by Sharon C. It's okay. I mean, it's not my favorite. Okay, so as always, I'm gonna use the Lily Lashes in Miami, and I'm gonna apply that with my Duo Lash Glue. I just have the white one.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what what you
Okay, so I'm gonna go back into this Morphe Disney palette and I'm gonna take this gold shade. It's called Extra Sparkle, which is perfect because that's exactly what I'm doing. I just need extra sparkle. So I'm just using my Morphe M321. Don't get too crazy with it. Oh my god, it's in my eye. I got crazy with it. So I know this look is probably screaming a red lip, but I don't like red lips. I just got these from Jaclyn Cosmetics. This lipstick is part of her new holiday collection. It's in the shade Cookies. And then this is also from Jaclyn Cosmetics. This is a lip liner in the shade Caramel Latte. So we're doing a new lip today. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. It got a little bit grungy and crazy, but I actually really like it. Calvin, what do you think?
Look beautiful.
Like it? I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and doing some makeup. Please, as always, if you have any video suggestions, leave them down in the comments. Please make sure to comment and like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and share it with your friends if they like makeup and fashion and all the other random shit that I do. I will definitely see you guys in the next one.
Pick your season of occupation. It's time to send in your
Just breathe. It's fucking makeup. It's fucking makeup. Everything is fine. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick wing really quick